Yeah, hi there. These comments are for Mohammad. You sent me an email, and let's see what you say here. Dear Michael, this is Mohammad from Iran. I found your email by searching. I took TOEFL exam, and the result was a shameful 66. I spent a lot of time to read, write, and listen, also speak in English. I need your help to improve my score in 2 months. All right, Mohammad, so first of all, if anybody else is watching the video, I am the founder and the materials writer for Better TOEFL Scores. Also, I'm the author of the 7-step system to pass the TOEFL IBT. So, Mohammad, 66 isn't so bad. So, I mean, let's look at the bright side. Some universities require a 61 to get acceptance into undergraduate schools. Now I know, based on what you're telling me, you're probably looking more toward 100 maybe or higher on the TOEFL IBT, so I can help you. And 60 days, 2 months is probably enough time where we can get you where you need to be. So let me tell you a little bit about my service. I have the 7-step system to pass the TOEFL IBT. To find out more about my service, you can go to www.bettertoeflscores.com. Now, probably you've already done that, so you just want to talk to me a little bit and feel confident that I can help you, and then you'll probably subscribe to my service. So, yes, I do have 7 steps to help you pass the TOEFL IBT. I have vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And particularly, once you subscribe to my service at bettertoeflscores.com, the first thing that you probably want to do is start with your vocabulary lessons, because your 66 out of 120 indicates to me you need to work a little bit on improving your vocabulary fluency. Probably also you have some pronunciation problems. I can help you solve those problems with step 2, which is pronunciation. So I recommend that you go through my 7-step system to pass the TOEFL IBT. Start with vocabulary, and once you've done the first 6 steps, then the 7th step is speaking. But remember that. Don't put the cart in front of the horse, which means make sure you study your grammar, your vocabulary, your pronunciation. Take all of those lessons first before you start doing my TOEFL speaking practice test. Because obviously, to do well on TOEFL speaking, you need to be really organized. You have to have good topic development. You have to have good pronunciation. You have to use a combination of basic and advanced grammar. And it needs to be pretty easy for the IBT human raters to understand what you're saying. So, Mohammad, I hope that you'll consider becoming one of my students. I promise you that whenever you post a practice response to one of my pronunciation practice tests, when you do one of my writing practice tests for the independent and integrated writing parts of the test, and whenever you do one of my speaking practice tests, I will score them. I will give you specific feedback to help you get better so you can score higher. That's how I help you with my service. So through a combination of self-study lessons and then getting feedback from me when you take the practice test, together you can get better on your TOEFL IBT score. So keep your head up, keep working hard, and I definitely think you can make some really good improvements in 60 days. And that's my promise to you from bettertoeflscores.com. And again, thank you, Mohammad, for sending me an email, and I hope that this video has helped answer some of the questions that you might have.